Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block tags in the Steam store. This is incredibly useful when you want to filter out specific types of games from your browsing experience, making it easier to discover content that actually interests you. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into Steam, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Store Preferences. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can customize how the Steam store appears to you and what types of content you want to see or avoid. Once you're on the Store Preferences page, scroll down through the various settings until you find a section labeled Tags to Exclude. This is the key area where you can filter out specific game categories or themes from appearing in your store browsing experience. It's particularly helpful if there are certain genres or content types you're simply not interested in seeing when you browse for new games. Just below the Tags to Exclude heading, you'll notice a text field. Click on this text field to activate it and prepare to enter your first tag. For instance, let's say you want to block horror games from appearing in your store. Simply type horror into the field. As you type, Steam will automatically suggest matching tags based on what you've entered. When you see horror appear in the suggested tags list, click on it. The tag will then be automatically added to your blocked tags list, and any games primarily tagged with horror will no longer appear in your store recommendations or search results. Now here's an important note you should keep in mind. Steam allows you to pick up to 10 tags to exclude. This gives you plenty of flexibility to customize your browsing experience without overwhelming the system, so choose the tags that matter most to you in filtering out unwanted content. To add more tags, simply repeat the same process. Click on the text field again and type another tag you want to block. For instance, if you want to exclude anime games, type anime into the field. Once again, Steam will show you matching suggestions as you type. Click on anime from the suggested tags and it will be automatically added to your blocked tags list alongside horror. You can continue this process until you've added all the tags you want to exclude, up to the maximum of 10. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Steam store experience by blocking specific tags, ensuring you only see games that align with your interests. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.